Buoyancy. What is the meaning of buoyancy? The upward force exerted by fluids, liquid and gas, on objects when they are immersed in them is called buoyant force, and the phenomenon is called buoyancy. When does an object float or sink? When any object is immersed in fluid, there are two forces acting on it. Its weight in vertically downward direction and buoyant force in vertically upward direction. In figure A, object is floating on the surface means buoyant force is greater than its weight. In figure B, object is in equilibrium, that is, its weight and buoyant force has equal magnitude. In figure C, object is sinking means weight is greater than buoyant force. Archimedes Principle. It gives us the idea of calculating buoyant force. It states that when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Suppose an object of mass 1 kg is immersed in fluid. Let us take the volume of fluid displaced by an object out of the beaker to calculate its weight. So here buoyant force is given by weight of the fluid displaced by the body equal to mass of the fluid displaced by the body into acceleration due to gravity equal to volume of the body immersed in fluid into density of fluid into acceleration due to gravity. That means buoyant force mathematically is given by V rho g, where V is the volume of body immersed in a fluid, rho is the density of fluid, and g is acceleration due to gravity.